Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics Key2 Multimedia Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This is a very unique looking combo. As you can see on the picture, it's a very unique looking keyboard and mouse combo. Let's quickly take a look at what other features are available over here, and then we can move on to the unboxing part. This runs on 2.4 GHz wireless technology. It has silent button design. Also has a lot of shortcut keys. I'm assuming 12 of them. And has intelligent energy saving design. What other stuff is here? Seems to be quite a bit. There's ultra smooth chocolate keycaps. We'll take a look soon enough. Quick multimedia buttons, 5 times more with silent button design, more or less the same. There are some mouse specifications, like it has a resolution higher. The upper end resolution is 1500 dpi, which is pretty good, and it has a transmission distance of 30 meters. Which is not bad really. It also has a key life of 3 million clicks. Let's come to the keyboard now. The keyboard also has a, let's see quickly here. The keyboard also has a key life of 10 million clicks, which once again, quite substantial, and it can work from 15 meters away. Now let's quickly take a look at what's inside the box. Cut it open over here, just slightly. That's This is the keyboard. That's the mouse, and let's get rid of the plastic wrapper. So, अंदर आ गया. Yes, there's a unique color combination for a mouse and a keyboard combo. Firstly, let's take a look at what other stuff is here. This right here is your user manual. Let's quickly take a look at what is there. Yep, and that's about it. So yeah, there's one other component that's missing, but first let's talk about the ultra smooth chocolate keycaps. It also has a silent button design. I mean, they really are very silent and feels good when you're typing. It's not bad. There are a couple of stops at the back. This will give you a slight elevation, and this is where all the batteries go, and you will need AA batteries for this. You will need a single AA battery for this, which is not bad. What else can we talk about this keyboard? Let me just close this quickly. It's a very small keyboard, very compact. There is no numpad, so you have to be careful about that. And these are basically your shortcut keys from F1 to F12. So I'm assuming these are the 12 shortcut keys right here. And next we have the mouse. It's a unique looking mouse. This is not a mouse wheel, more like a. Well, it is a mouse wheel, but it looks like it's unidirectional, but it's not. It just scrolls up and down, and also functions as a third mouse button. Left click and right click as usual. Has a unique color combination. There's a mosaic kind of design on the top right here, glossy black finish, but also a mosaic kind of finish. This is bright red, as you can see, but it's also very plasticky, so that's there. Finally, as you can see, this is where your battery goes in, and this is your nano transmitter. You just pull it out from here and you attach it to the device that you want to sync these products to, sync these gadgets with. And that's it. That's all you find inside the Portronics Key2 Multimedia Wireless and Keyboard Mouse Combo. Thank you for watching.